In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto layout in Figma, a neat trick that can save you time and make your design process smoother. If you've been working with Figma, you know how powerful and flexible this design tool is, especially when it comes to creating vibrant, responsive, and well-organized layouts. However, sometimes you might want to have complete control over the positioning of your elements and do away with Figma's auto layout feature. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily disable this feature. First things first, let's head over to Figma's website. Simply open your browser and navigate to figma.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for those of you who are returning users, go ahead and log in. Simply click on the log in button that you should easily find on Figma's homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to your home screen where all your files are neatly organized. You can do this by clicking on the home icon or link. It's right there on your dashboard, making it plain and convenient to access your recent works or start something new. Now that you're on the home screen, you'll need to select the particular design file you'd like to work on. This can be a new project you're starting or an existing one that you want to edit. Look for the design tab in your selected project. You'll generally find it on the left-hand panel once your project is open, alongside other options like prototype or inspect. The next step in our process is to select the specific frame where you want to remove the auto layout. In case you're wondering what a frame is, think of it as a container where you place your various design components like text, images, or buttons. Navigate to the frame containing the auto layout you want to tweak. Now here comes the juiciest part. Removing the auto layout, all you need to do is right-click on the selected frame. In the context menu that appears, you'll find an option that says Remove Auto Layout. Click on this, and just like that, the auto layout will be disabled for that frame. This action will give you more flexibility to manually adjust your elements, enabling you to position them exactly how you envision without the constraints of the auto layout feature. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to removing auto layout from your Figma designs. With this new skill in your toolkit, you can enjoy more creative freedom while still using Figma's powerful suite of design tools. Thank you for following along, and I hope this video helps streamline your design workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more Figma tips and tricks in our series.